We begin tonight with a federal ruling that has stopped, at least temporarily, the execution of a man who killed his young daughter at the Corpus Christi Naval Air Station back in 2002.
Yeah, the condemned man, Alfred Bourgeois, was set to be executed early next year on January 13th. But all federal executions have been put on hold as part of a lawsuit on how the government carries out executions. Our Taylor Alanis has the update on this top story for us. Taylor?
Leslie, Joe Bourgeois is one of 5 federal death row inmates to be the first federal executions in more than 15 years. But that might not happen. Federal executions were halted back in 2014 after a botched state execution in Oklahoma prompted President Barack Obama to order a board review of capital punishment. Fast forward to July of this year, Attorney General William Barr said that the review had been finished and that federal executions would resume. Barr also approved a new way to handle lethal injections, but the new procedures were challenged in court.
So some states may say we're going to use 3 drugs. Some states may say we're going to use 5 drugs, whatever it may be. But the Fed said they were going to use 1 drug. So the reason it got halted yesterday is because the federal judge said, well, these inmates are suing because they're saying that basically this is violative of that federal death penalty act.
When it comes to Bourgeois, prosecutors in the case found there were signs that he physically, sexually abused and tortured his 2-year-old daughter. It took a jury less than 2 hours to convict him, then sentenced him to death. And even though there hasn't been a federal execution since 2003, the Justice Department has continued to approve death penalty prosecutions, and federal courts have still sentenced people to death. Joe, Leslie.
All right, Taylor, thank you.